Charity Simmons, PSP fitness instructor from Coal Lake Air Base. Today I'm going to be making you some French toast. So I have some egg whites here. Throw that in a bowl. You can use the whole egg if you like. I'm going to add some cinnamon to it. Nutmeg would work as well. You can add some cocoa to it. Then I'm going to add some vanilla extract. I like to put a couple of pinholes in the top of the lid so that it doesn't come out too fast. Then whatever kind of milk you want to use. You can use skim milk. I've got some almond milk here, but you can use coconut milk, cashew milk, whatever you like. And then I'm going to whip that egg up, give that a little stir, mix it all in. And then you would take your bread. You can either put it on a plate and drizzle, make sure it's nice and coated, or you can just dip it in this bowl. So my finished product, I decided to go top it, instead of with margarine or butter or syrup, I decided to top it with peanut butter and then go with some strawberries and banana. So pretty tasty. On the easy level, I would give this a 5 out of 5. Taste level, 5 out of 5 works as well. Have a good one, guys. Bye.